for OS top 10 try hack me. So let's get started. Today we will finish the day 1. So let's get started. So for the first question, you can just, it's not a question actually, you can have complete, I guess you might know how to deploy the machines. Okay, so this is just questions, and this is the actual day 1, and after this day 2 will start. Okay, so let's start. And I have deployed my machine. This is my machine. So firstly let's go to the website they want us check this. Now first question, what strange file is in the website root directory? So let's see what happens when we type over something over here. Let me type hello, and nothing came. Let me type ls, and yep, when I give whatever command I am giving, it's running on the shell. So when I am running ls, it's running on its shell and showing the contents on his computer actually. So what strange file, there are like these 3 files are there. So evil is something which we are running, indexes doesn't look that strange. This is something which really does look a little bit strange. Let's see. Okay fine, this is strange, and the answer is tapa. And how many non-root, non-service, non-daemon users are there? So what we can do is we can check their passwords file to check how many users are there, and what are all of the users. So all the users are there in the etc password file. So let me go over there, etc password, and let me submit it. So these are the list of all the users. So for this thing, non-root, non-service and non-daemon, I am looking for this thing to be 1000. Why I am looking this for 1000 is because when this happens like 1000, that guy is the user. For example, let me cat my password file. If we'll see my my user, there is this 1000, and all of the rest do not have 1000. You can see this ID, this is 1000. So you can clearly note that there is no 1000 or something over here. So there is no normal user. Now what user is this app? What user is this app running as? So what user is this app running as? Okay, so who am I? Who am I currently? It's www.data. Now if you might have this question that if there was a no normal user and all, that how is www.data? You can see over here that www.data, there is someone known as www.data over here. There is user name as www.data, and he is not a normal user. Okay, then let's go. What is the user's shell set as? So the command for that is lsb. No, that's for the version of Ubuntu actually. Okay, so what is the user shell set as? Okay, so for this, let me cat. Okay, here it is. Here is the password file. I'll show this again. Cat etc password, submit. So here you can see, where is it? Yeah, here. For the user www.data, the bash is usr bin no login. that is his bash. USR has been no login. Let's paste it here. Yep, that is it. And for which version of Ubuntu is running, for this one I was doing that lsb underscore release dash a. For example, let me run lsb underscore release dash a here. You can see that my PC is Kali Linux 2020 and his one is Ubuntu 18.0. This one 18.044. Let's submit this. Yep. Print out MOTD what favorite beverage is shown. So for this one MOTD, what I need to do is you need to firstly let's search MOTD. So what is it? I don't know what MOTD is. So if I'll do find all, where I look for the name of MOTD, I think MOTD is message of the day or man of the day or something like that. So let's search it, and I don't want any errors, so the last line is to remove errors. We can actually skip that, but if we'll see over here that I found too many files with MOTD, but there are these two files which I see. So there is, let's try for the first file. So let's see the hint. It says something on this header 2. Okay, so MOTD is in etc. So let's go to /etc/update MOTD. Let's do this. And one more thing I'll tell you about this is when I'll do ls and when I put a colon, that is to end my command and to run some other command. So like for example, I'll do ls and ls twice, and let me submit it. So you can see this is the first ls result and this is the second ls result. So let's do this, that we cat this one just like we did over here. Now we are in this folder. I have this file only, but let's check for him. Let's go into this directory, let's end this command and let's do ls. So you can see these are all the files over here, and in the hint it says to give us this file. So it will be this same command, just the thing, there will be cat, there will be this and the name of this file, and let's do submit. And yep, we got something. So now we need to check for this answer, what favorite beverage is shown. So we need to read this. It is under terms and conditions, free software, any later, where is it, description, Dr. Pepper makes the world taste better. Okay, what is the question? Which favorite beverage? Favorite beverage. Beverage. You need to search for a beverage. Okay, which beverage is over here? Let's search. Where is it? Maybe Dr. Pepper might be, he might be referring Dr. Pepper as a beverage, as maybe a romantic line. Okay, it worked. Okay guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and plus I'll be making more videos, and I've also uploaded like proper track me videos. So please like, share, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.